Proton Suprima S install Convex Special Edition 2021 September. Okay, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player T5 with OEM good fitting casing. Full set casing. And OEM power socket plug and play. Connect with Cogoo AHD reverse camera. CG C06 AHD Cogoo night view AHD reverse camera. Convex T5 2+32 setting. Network internet. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect phone hotspot for internet. About car device. Android version 10, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, 8-core processor, screen resolution 1280 x 720 real resolution pixel. Okay, support Full HD 1080p video direct playback. Full menu. Online TV APK, 6TV Cloud TV, A-Drama. Okay, app download from Play Store. Log in a Gmail to download app. Steering control. Set your steering control. Screensaver. Show the date, time. Press anyway to turn it on. Screen off. Same. Press anyway to turn it on. YouTube, Waze, Spotify can download from Play Store. HD2 streaming. Okay, if you optional to add on a two-way DVR recorder kit set, this is for the recorder, front and rear recorder. Bluetooth music. Before that, you have to pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Search. Connect with your phone Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone for Bluetooth call. It's got an external microphone. External mic for Bluetooth call. After that, you can click for the BT music. For Bluetooth music, share your phone music to car player. Video input and video output. It's got a GPS antenna to detect your car. And also got 2 USB slot. You put in a drawer. USB extension to insert a U drive. 32 band. Flexible control DSP. Got a preset. Radio. Select the frequency you want. A long press to save it. Back to home. Navigation. Video file. Music file and video file. Press home button. Video PIP, picture in picture. Full menu. Easy connect mirror link. car setting, handbrake turn off to play. Okay, video file. So just now the handbrake turned off, you can play video after your handbrake release. If you turn on, so cannot view the video. Turn off, can play the video. Video PIP to turn on. Software sound mixing to adjust the volume for your video and your navigation sound volume. Navi software, this is a shortcut, you can create it. You can set a ways. Shortcut setting for this one, the navigation app. Car setting, system setting, factory setting, a password 1617. Okay, high spec car can use for the CAN bus setting and change a boot logo. Back car setting to show your reverse line. Back to home, square icon, long press. Oh, okay, video file. Long press, draw it left or right for split screen function. Left, right screen. Okay, one side GPS, one side video. Clear apps, clear it one by one or close all. So this is Proton Suprima S. Install Convex Special Edition. Android GPS big screen player, 9-inch with OEM casing, OEM power socket plug and play, and a Cogoo night view HD reverse camera. Install by one disc. Video by Andy. Convex Android. Our shop in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong. Thank you.